Come with me to a car show. Do we take A or B? Obviously, you enlist a driver and you take both. That's the answer. The wife's back there somewhere. She's driving the Silverado, of course, so for some reason she's scared of this one. I don't get it. Gotta love them small town shows. That thing looks like a wild ride. Not much for leg room, but plenty of headroom. We come back to the car to find my daughter laid out on the back, making herself at home. Oh, everybody's packing up. We're wrapping it up. Getting in. We're firing them up, and we're heading home. Nice little show close to home for today. Freaking awesome. Get out there and drive them.